Okay, hello gang, I just started streaming, I'll reveal the screen in a bit, um, so for today's stream, I have a Roblox project that I currently have in the works, and I am feeling a little Sigma today, and I figured that I would show you guys. Um, Now I'm gonna reveal the screen and quickly. Okay, yep, y'all can see it now. So it's kind of a simple game, really. In fact, I want to show y'all something. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off that clicking because that's getting kind of annoying. I'm just gonna do something real quick, so I'm just gonna hide the stream for a second. And I'm just gonna check something. Okay, so this game that I've been making recently, I based it off of another game I found on Steam that I heard of called Comedy Night. I have yet to play the game, but I've heard it's really chaotic. And it's pretty racist, but that's I'm not saying that I support any of like the stuff that happens inside that game. I just find it really funny. But wait, okay, hold on guys, I got a Discord notification that I gotta check. Oh okay, it's just from my server. So we are good. I assume we're good. And it doesn't even and Discord doesn't even say that I'm streaming. Wow. It's fine. Anyway, oh yeah, I forgot the usual thing that I forgot to ask. How is it? Okay, wait. There's like, how is it? Come on, bro. I was working on a game. Oh. My fault. Okay. Well, wait. What even? Okay. Wait. Let's cut the chase here. What exact game even is it? Oh, it's a Rims game. I see. Okay, now back to this. I have the map fully fleshed out. I just have to create the main program for the game. So basically, I'm gonna show off the current progress I have so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and close the script. So basically you just spawn in this little map. I made it based off like the classic Roblox theme. I also wanted to make the UI based off classic Roblox as well. So it's kind of this little stage game where you like go up on stage and you like perform like comedy and stuff. So currently, I have simple logic which I'm gonna rework in this live stream. So and all this. Okay, I just noticed my studio is kind of lagging. Hold up. I can't even. Oh wait. Okay, there we go. So most of the logic is in here. This is gonna be really difficult to understand, but I promise you'll understand what all this does later on. I don't know though. So basically, what's happening here? I can't even believe I'm actually explaining this to like an audience that doesn't know all this stuff, but it's all good. I do this stuff as a hobby. Alright, let me review the chat. Oh, okay. Alright, where is the... There it is. So basically, to my 0 current viewers, what I'm doing here is... Basically, I'm just checking if there's, like, any participants, and if there's not, it's just gonna wait till there's a participant. That's going to select a random participant. I was going to make it like a queue-based system, but I figured that probably be a bit difficult, so I just made a random selection-based system. It's just going to print the participant. It's going to toggle like the little performing thing, which hides some buttons. That way the game doesn't break. We're getting the character. We're checking if the player's seated. And if they are, we're just going to eject them from the seat. And then we're just going to teleport them to the stage. And this is just going to wait like 1 second. And then, yeah. I'm going to replace this with a remote function that like displays like the timer at the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and show the UI again. And I'm just going to go to here, main HUD. I'm going to insert a text label. And I do also want to make this retro themed, so I'm gonna make this fully transparent, and I'm gonna like show or make the text a bit bigger. God, I feel like it's liking a lot. It's not really bothering me that much though. That's not a good size. I'm gonna have to readjust that. Maybe like this looks good. Yeah, that looks kind of good. And then I'm just gonna change the font to Arimo because that's the closest I'm gonna get to the legacy Roblox font. I'm just gonna make it bold as well. And I'm going to make the text, you're on stage. 60 seconds remain. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, wait. 40, 50. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Whoops. I'll just change it back. And I'll make the text color white. Yeah, I just noticed it's starting to lag spike. I don't know if I'll be able to do this stream for long. Because it's starting to make me a little bit mad, but... Oh wait, that's probably why. I probably have Steam open. Okay, now it should be a little bit better. I don't know. But... Again, I don't know what to do about that. And that's just gonna go right to the bottom. And review the chat again. Nothing. Okay. Okay, what am I doing? There we go. I'm gonna reveal the text stroke, make it more retro themed, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really sound retro, but who gives? If I'm being completely honest. So yeah, a little thing about this suit is that this supports voice chat. Like, hold on, I'll show you guys. So if I go into the little speaker thing, this has like stuff that can handle like voice chat. So if this had a player, then this would go into that, and it'll go into this little emitter thing, and it's gonna like the sound range. Oh. Dude, my Roblox studio is starting to lag like crazy, so I don't exactly know if I can keep the stream up for long. But this little thing will like range from this entire part of the map. And probably back here as well. So like everyone can hear that. Well, basically if they have voice chat they will, but like most likely not. So I'm going to go back into this and modify everything. So in this, I'm going to create a new remote function inside of here. If I can find it, there it is. Start performing is what I'm going to call it. And I'm going to replace this line with replicated storage dot remotes dot start performing invoke client, and that's just going to be the participant. And then down here, remotes Oh, wait, no. Replicated storage dot remotes dot starts performing dot on. I almost used the wrong function, or the wrong thing. I thought this was an event. That's a callback. But all right, what I want to do is I want to make the performance timer visible. So script dot parent dot performance timer dot visible, and then for I equals. I'm just gonna make a basic countdown using a for loop because why not? So performance script.parent dot performance timer dot text equals you're on stage, and basically the same thing. And we're gonna see if that works. Hopefully this doesn't break anything. I mean, this shouldn't break because this is a remote function. So alright, let's try it. Participate. 50. Okay, it yielded. So 53, 52. I also do plan on adding a rating system, so that way you can earn like more points depending on like the performance, how well you perform, and that's going to be decided by like other players. Like a little screen will pop up. It'll probably say like, how would you rate this player's performance, and you can either choose to like or dislike. The more likes, they'll like earn a point, or they'll earn a win if they get more likes than dislikes, and they'll just end up losing if they end up getting more dislikes than likes, and they'll probably play like a little boo sound. So there's only like 5 seconds until this ends. So, and we're gonna see if it teleports me back. Well, it doesn't hide the little timer, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I also still have the timer on as well, so I'm just gonna make it invisible real quick. And I'm gonna hide this. Now we'll give it one last test before we move on to the logic. So I'm gonna click the participate button. And there we go. So there's only like 50 seconds left, so maybe I'll just look at the chat. Still 2 viewers, GG. And I accidentally opened my Discord again. Wow. 35, 34, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And everything's back. Wonderful. Oh, I forgot I had a little weight on this. Yeah, right here. So I can just get rid of that. And if I still like, you know, hop on stage, and then yeah, so maybe we should increase. Well, actually we'll leave the maximum to 1 participant just for testing. So, alright. So what I want to do now is I want to wire everything up for the like little voice chat effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the speaker object. Oh, it's in the map folder. I forgot. Map.speaker.input.player equals participant. And then afterwards I can just set the player property to nil. I got a feeling this might error, but stuff like this can happen pretty much. I've experienced many errors before, but I've been able to fix them. So I'm gonna go ahead and Actually, I'm gonna go back into this HUD thing, and I'm gonna make the maximum wait time like 30 seconds. And then I'm hit play, make sure everything's working. So I hit participate, and I speak through my microphone, and listen to this. Alright, is this working? Alright, I better turn that off, because that's gonna end up getting loud, but it works. So you can hear that through the player that is like using this microphone input can still like, you know, hear themselves, and I don't want that. Now we're gonna see if it. Okay, so it does disconnect. It does disconnect. I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna have to look at the output. Player interval disconnected during remote call to replicate storage.remotes.start performing. Okay, that is definitely something I cannot fix. Oh my god, dude, my Roblox studio is going insane. Okay, but yeah, this should work practically. Chat review again. Still 2 viewers, okay. So you know what Roblox should do? They should make this halt, like return. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I have an idea. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to wrap this invoke in like a p-call. So basically, it protects it from error. So local success message, and then I can just put that in here. This does make a little like new thread. So what we get? Well, okay, so I have an idea. I'm gonna make a new variable called finished, and I'm gonna make this true or false. Wait, actually? Okay, my fault, guys. I got a text notification. I don't know what it's from. But yeah, it's all good. So what I can do now is I can repeat task.wait until results, actually, success or results, or no, message, or until success or message. So this is going to wait until success or message is not nil. So by default, while this is running or paused, this is probably going to be nil. And then once these are existent, this is gonna continue this whole thread or whatever. I'm just calling this a thread because this is all in a while loop. So I mean, I wouldn't say it's a thread, but it's whatever, I guess. So that way, this script will still run, even if the player leaves. Hopefully. So actually, I'll rename this variable to results. There we go. That should be a lot better, and now it shouldn't error. So I'm just gonna rename this to. I'm just gonna warn if it's not a success, and it's gonna warn saying player may have left during performance, moving to next player, or stopping game. And this is just going to print the result. So if I click participate and then I leave, it should print out the message. But it's gonna end the server, so I don't exactly know if it'll actually print, but let's try it. Yup. Player may have left during performance. Moving to next player or stopping game. Alright. So load character can only be called when player is in the world. Okay, so what I think I should do is I should probably make participant nil. So for this, I'm gonna make the participant equal to nil, and then if not participant, then we can just continue. And then we just print participant left. Maybe I'll change that to a warn message. I'll change that to performer. So, whoops. So if I go ahead, click on participate, give it like a bit, and then I just leave, performer may have left. Okay, so now I know it's working great. And my studio is still lagging. I don't know why. Now the lagging has gotten much worse. It's gonna be fine. I'll still work on the game. Yeah, I'll still work on the game live. So let's see what I've got left to do. I'm pretty sure this automatically makes it no when the player leaves, so I'm pretty sure this should be fine. Alright. Now, I gotta enable a property so that way it don't echo like the microphone sound from the local user's device. So I'm gonna check muted by local user. I do not know if that will do anything, but let's give it a try. So I boot up my game, click participate, turn on my mic, and I can still hear myself. Sorry guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncheck these. I'm going to go into my client script. Actually, this should be okay. So I'm going to insert no, not a local script. I'm going to put in a normal script, and I'm going to set the run context to client. And then I'm going to get the audio device input, and I'm going to get the local player. Game.players.localplayer. Now, audio in dot changed. Wiring changed? Okay, wait, no. Get property changed signal, and that's going to be the player. I'll hook that up to a function. And I'm pretty sure this has okay. I thought you would put in the new property name. So if audio in dot player equals the local player, then we'll just audio in dot muted equals false or true, or else this is just going to be false. So if the current player of this audio device input is the local player, then this is going to be muted, and if not, it's going to be active. So I want to give this a test, participate, and okay, great. I cannot hear myself. So that is a good sign. And if I go on the server and if I look in my audio device input object, it is not muted. And if I look at the client, I gotta do this quickly because time's running out. Speaker input, yup, it's muted, and after 5 seconds it should be unmuted again. Or actually, I mean, yeah, it should work, but I wasn't really able to tell because of the instant, you know, teleport back. I'm just gonna review the chat again. Still 2 viewers, so doing good, I guess. Alright, let me look through my game script. And this time I'll just put like a little weight here. That way I can see it. So I know this is not muted on the server, so everyone except for me should be able to hear it. So I click on participate. It's muted. Now I can't hear myself, so that's perfect. So I mute myself again. Hop around a bit. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, then it should be unmuted again. Yep, and if it's not me, then it should stay unmuted. So yeah, everything's working, which is perfect. So I'm pretty sure that's the main mechanism of the game done, so I can just get rid of this weight. And I can set the maximum number of participants to 2. Or 3. Okay. Actually, we'll make this decision up to you guys on what better count is, like, what's the better maximum, the minimum needed participants. There we go, I found the words. So, alright, let's give a hit to the live broadcast. And I'm going to make this a poll. Which count sounds better? And I'm going to make this 2, and the second option. Actually, how about these numbers? And the poll should be up right now. We're just waiting on the results. I mean, there's probably going to be no results. It's stuck at 2. Oh, these are analytics. So there's absolutely nobody watching the stream right now. Crazy. So that poll was worthless. So I might as well just end it. Alright. So, whoops, I accidentally opened up Streamlabs. So with that, I want to thank you guys for watching this 30-minute long stream that was not really, you know, I don't know how to describe it. It wasn't really much, considering that this stream only got like 2 views. But anyway, gang, thank you for watching the stream, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, gang.